Hi, this is Houho. We are protected by the state. We belong to a nation. That's what we've been taught, and what we've come to accept as natural. But who created the nation? When? And how? Japan, for example, is often called the oldest country in the world. Some may feel proud of its 2,600-year history. But how many ordinary people have actually lived freely within the history? Some boast about high literacy rates during the Edo period. Others admired the spread of Confucianism as a cultural achievement. But what if those ideas were spread as tools of control? Very few ever stop to ask that question. I myself once believed that a country like Japan could serve as a model for the world. But I came to see that this mindset separates humans from nature, and I can't unsee it anymore. This book questions not only Japan as a nation, but the very structure of independent nations around the world. Africa, South America, Asia. Regions once colonized and reshaped into countries still inherit the language and systems of their former colonizers even after so-called independence. In many South American countries, Spanish remains the mother tongue. In the US, indigenous languages have been erased, and English has become the default. Control is complete the moment no one questions it. Globalism or nationalism, whichever you choose, you're still playing on the field of the nation. Either way, we remain subject to the system of the state. Schools, hospitals, city halls, banks, religions, even crematoriums. From birth to death, humans are registered and managed by the state. In the end, even our return to the soil is regulated. Somewhere along the way, we started to confuse the chance of being born in a certain country with the destiny of being protected by the state. But originally, we humans didn't need nations. We got wet in the rain, shielded flames from the wind, to the soil, sowed seeds, and kept life going. If we can remember that, the key to stepping outside the illusion of the state is already within reach. We don't live inside a nation. We live inside nature. May this book help you see beyond common sense and into the deeper truth of what the state really is. By the way, this series occasionally offers free Kindle campaigns. You can find a complete list of published titles on the author's Amazon page. There might be one currently available for free download. If you're curious, please feel free to take a look. You may find a title that speaks directly to you.